let's start with me. We are going to do it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So everyone is doing it with me. Now we are going to do a second form of exercise. In this exercise, what we are going to do? We are simply moving our thigh from like this. Okay? So let's do it with me. 1. Yes, Avi, very nice. Yes, Chinmay. Very nice, Chinmay. Now we are going to start. 1. Start with your right leg. Yes, move like this. 1. Very nice. Pravi, you can also do it very nicely, Pravi. 2. Very good. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Now, Janvi, you are able to see me? We have to do it like this. We have to move our right leg like this. So just show me how you are doing. 1. Very nice, Janvi. You have to stretch your leg a little more, like I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, very nice, Avi. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, we are going to do our third form of exercise. So, in this exercise, what we have to do? We have to keep our left hand on our side belly and moving our right hand towards our left shoulder like I'm doing. So, everyone do it with me. Very nice, Chinmay. Savi, Pravi, you are also doing very nicely. Yes, Janvi, very good, Janvi. So, we are going to do it for 10 times. 1. Now, in the second one, what we have to do? We have to keep our right hand on our belly and moving our left hand towards our right shoulder like this. Oh, where is Pravi? Very nice, Pravi. You're also doing very good. Now, 1. Similarly, we are going to do it with the right hand, students. 2. Very good, Chinmay. Slowly, we will increase our speed. So, it will stretch our hands. We will start with the countings. So, let's start with the countings. Start with the right hand. Yes, Avi, you can also do it. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nicely holding by Janvi. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to stand straight like I do. Very good. Now everyone is going to see what is our fourth form of exercise. What do you say, Chinmay? Are you ready to see?
Is it going to be something related to our legs this time?
Yes, Savi, you were saying something?
Isn't it going to be something related to our legs this time because we haven't stretched them yet?
Yes, we can. Okay, we are going to stretch our legs and hands, okay? In the next form of exercise.
You're taking that one.
So first, for the next form of exercise, what we are going to do? We are simply stretching our legs like this, taking a beat, keeping a distance between our foot. Like this, I'm doing. And after that, what we have to do? We have to keep our right hand on our left leg and we are going to try to touch it. Chinmay, you are doing very nicely. Very nice, Sabir and Pravi also. So let's do it with me. And the left hand will be on the top. So let's do it with me. 1. And now we have to keep our left hand on our right leg, or we can say that try to touch our toes or knee and the right hand on the up foot. Just like I'm doing. Very nice. Let's do it. 3, 4, 5. Yes, okay, you can do it. Just stretch your legs. It helps to stretch your legs. And don't bend your knees. Try to don't bend your knees. Very nice. Try to do it. Very good. Yes, Chinmay, you can also do it. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is our fourth warm-up activity. Yes, Chinmay, are you getting tired?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we will take have some water. Drink some water. It will give you energy.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can I show the next, stretch?
Yes, I will definitely show you the next stretch.
No, can I show the next?
Okay, yes, you can also show me. I love to see Chinmay. How's Chinmay? Show me the next stretching movement. Can you show me,
I can do
Chinmay?
a cartwheel.
Okay. Janvi, can you turn on your camera? I'm not able to see you.
I'll be back.
Where is Savir and Pravi? Just come.
Yeah, coming.
Okay. Now Chinmay is showing us some next warm-up activity. We will do it all together, Chinmay. Okay. We have to keep our hands like in the upward, both the hands. And after that, Chinmay.
Without
Okay, so it will help us to stretch our hands.
to go down.
And we have to put our hands in downward. Try to touch our feet. Just like Chinmay doing. Yes, it's a very nice warm-up exercise, Chinmay. It helps us to stretch our bones. Okay, Praveen is also doing very nicely. Very nice, Chinmay. So we will do it 10 times, kids. Let's do it with me. Just stretch your hands in the upward. Very nice. And now, coming down to trying to touch the feet. And try to don't bend your knees. Very nice, Savir. You are also doing very good. And hold it for 10 seconds. Now relax. So yes, Chinmay, you like the warm-up activities?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're getting tired.
No.
Have some juice or water.
I don't have water right here. I don't want to drink water.
Okay. And Savir, you like the warm-up exercises?
Yeah, they're nice.
Okay. And Ravi, you like the warm-up exercises?
Yes.
Very nice. Now we can start our yoga also. So everyone is excited? Oh,
Yeah.
Chinmay, your teddy bear is very nice.
Thank you.
It's cute like as you are.
It's pretty big. You want to see how big it is?
Okay. Janvi, can you turn on your camera? Okay, she is not in the meeting, I think. She left. Okay, where is Sabi?
Yeah,
Hey, Sabi, where are you? Okay.
we're just sitting on the bed.
Okay, so we can start our yoga activities. So we can start our first yoga asana. Okay? So our first yoga asana is, okay, first let's sit on the yoga mat and feel relaxed for 2 minutes. Okay? And we are going to breathe in, breathe out very relaxedly. It will relax our mind. So what we have to do? Okay, I'm putting myself just like you are able to see me more clearly.
1 second, let me put the camera down.
Yeah, even you can adjust the camera. So, what we are going to do, we are simply folding our legs very nice away. Ravi, you are also doing very nicely. And we have to, very good, Janvi is also settling her camera. Very nice, Chinmay. Okay, after that, what we have to do, we have to keep our hands like this on our knees. I'm not able to see you, Chinmay. Very good. And we have to close our eyes for 2 minutes. And we have to sit straight and breathe in, breathe out. Okay? So you all are going to do it with me?
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay. So let's start. 1, breathe in, close your eyes. Where is Ravi? Okay. Okay, let's start. Breathe in, close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 So how do you feel? Now you can open your eyes. Very nice, Janvi. Now I'm able to see you. This is our first asana and it is called as Sukhasana or easy pose. In this pose, we are sitting very relaxedly. It helps us to breathe in and breathe out. Now let's do our second pose. This is our twisted pose. So in this pose, what we are going to do, we have to cross our legs like this and keeping our right hand on our left knee. So just do it with me. Yes, Tanvi, cross your legs. Very good. And your left hand just behind your back. Very good.
Good. Next. Okay, very nice. Good. So everyone please clap for Anvi. Nice performance. Fluent and a very cool, a good hand on piano. Nice. Otherwise, slapping very nice. Okay. So this was Anvi. So everyone is you have enjoyed Anvi's and Arna's performance?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Very nice. So yeah, there are some more performances. I'm very interested to listen to you all. Okay. So can you tell me some answers of some questions? Okay. Like you are some players, right? And of piano and guitars. So do you have the knowledge of other instruments? Like if you are playing piano, you know something about guitar, and if you are playing guitar, you know something about piano. Any point you can tell me by yourself. What is the common thing or what is difference between? So can you answer, Aryan? Can you tell me difference between piano and guitar, or what is similar in piano and guitar? Anything if you know, any idea?
Pianos and guitars have strings.
Yeah, that is free. But in theory, any chord or scale, you know?
You can
Sorry?
they're the same notes.
Same notes. Yeah, how many total notes we have? I'll ask you one question. For everyone, this question is okay. In music, total how many notes are there in music? If your tutor have told you this, how many notes we have in music?
Is it 7?
Total notes. Okay, total notes.
In piano, there are 8.
Okay, yeah. And you have to and you have to ask this question to your tutor also, okay? So where you're learning, okay? So violin player Shauri, can you tell me how many notes we have in music?
I think it's 7.
7, okay. And who is saying 7? Can you raise your hands? 7, okay. Total notes, okay. And who is saying 8? Who is saying 8? And we is saying 8, okay. Who is saying 6? Or any other answers? Okay. Inaya is saying 6, okay. So yeah. Siddharth, what is your answer? Another way? 7. Another way? Okay, don't know. Arna, what's your answer?
7.
7. Okay. Who is saying 12?
12? I don't know. I'm thinking the sharps, but 7. So like
Okay. Who is telling me this? 7 and 12?
Yeah, it's 12.
Who was telling me this? 7 and 12? Arna? Did you?
What?
You told me 12 notes right now?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So yeah, everyone is giving me wrong answers. Okay, so yeah, this was correct. Okay, so we have 12 notes. Okay, how 12? Okay, you might be saying 7 only there or 6 only there. Okay, so I have an instrument here. Okay, so I can show you in my hands also. Like how it's 7 or 12. Okay, so first one we have is C, right? What are the 7 notes? C, D, E, F. Okay, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So these are 7 done. Okay. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7. And we have 5 notes sharp, or we say flat. Okay. So after C, C sharp. D, D sharp. E don't have a sharp. Okay. So after F, F sharp. G, G sharp. And A sharp we have. Then after B, no sharp. So this 5 and previous 7. Right? So 7 plus 5, 12 notes are there. Okay. So that's why we have set of 2 and set of 3 in the keyboard, or we say piano. Okay. So white 7 and 5 the black keys. So 7 plus 5, 12. Okay, so those was not knowing this, okay, you can ask these questions to your tutors. Okay, yeah, so singers should also know this, right? Okay, cool. So yeah, Arna, your answer was correct. Thanks. And we'll move to our next performance. Okay, so we have done with Anvi and Arna. So let's see something on guitar with Aryan.
Ready?
Yes, you can start.
That's great. So don't worry, like who doesn't know chess, we'll be learning for them also, don't worry. So we'll start from very basic. First, we'll start for those who doesn't know how to play. Then after a few minutes, we'll shift for those who know it. We're doing everyone. Okay?
Okay.
So I'll share my screen, just give me a minute.
I only know a little about chess.
Yeah, who do it?
Oh, I know that. I know how to play. Oh, I know that. Me too.
Me too. Me too.
I know how to do it. I know how to play.
Yeah, it's okay. So we'll learn for a few minutes for those who doesn't know chess. Like what are these called for those who doesn't know, right? So I have to do everything.
Fine.
Yeah, wait. I'll ask it. Wait. For those who know chess, I'll ask questions. And for those who doesn't know, we'll do learn for both. Like for those who doesn't know, for them it's learning, and for those who knows, it's a revision. Okay, we'll do it both. Okay, let's start. I'll ask question for those who knows. Okay, let's start with Iman. Iman, what are these called?
Points.
Yeah, how many points we have?
8.
Very good. How many points does a pawn has?
1. One. Yeah, 1.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Now,
Are you listening to me?
yeah, Hemant, you answered it. Now your turn is over. Now next person. Okay. Ansh, what are these called? You know it, right? You told.
Yeah, but I didn't play for a long time, so I forgot.
Okay, it's fine. Then wait. Yeah, Lachna, yeah, tell me.
It's like Shauna. Those are the rooks.
Yeah, and how many points does the rook has?
I think it has 2 points.
No, wrong.
I know. 5 points.
Yeah, who do it?
Oh.
Mohin, did you do it?
No.
Who do it? Who answered it? What's your name? Who answered it? Okay. So rook has 5 points.
Yeah.
Rook has 5 points. Okay. Who else know, Mohin? What are these called?
Those are called knights.
How many points does a knight have?
10?
3.
No, wrong.
3?
I know.
3?
2.
Yeah, it's 3 points.
What?
Knight
Oh.
has 3 points. Knight has 3 points. Hemant, mute yourself. When I asked you, that at the time you answer. Okay. So Mohin, knight has 3 points. Who else know chess? Was telling me. Okay, no one knows now.
I do. Basics.
Okay, but you answered the point system wrong. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine. Who else knows? No one knows. Okay. So I'll tell. These are known as bishops. These are known as bishops. Bishop has 3 points. Each bishop has 3 points. This bishop 3 points. This bishop also 3 points. Getting it? Each
Yeah.
bishop has. Again, I'm saying pawn has 1 point.
Yeah, 1 point.
Pawn has 1 point. Each pawn has 1 point. These are the rook.
Five.
Rook has 5.
5.
So how to remember? I'll teach you. How to remember this? It's very easy. See the arting. It's rook, and rook has 5 points. Now you never rook, and it has 5 points. Getting it?
Yeah.
Everyone, how to remember this? Rook, and it has 5 points. Now if you remember this arting, you'll never forget. Okay? Yeah, rook has 1 point. Pawn has 1 point. Rook has 5 points. Wait, I'll ask that person will only answer. Wait,
Wait,
no one will
I
answer.
know how much point it is. I know how much point.
Wait, I asked you, Hemant, wait. I'll ask you. You already answered it. You already answered it. Let another person answer. Mania, can you type? Wait, what's your name? Mania, what's your name? Mania, what's your name? What's your good
I
name?
don't know anything. They're asking how much is a horse.
Yes, Sonia, yeah. So how many points does the rook have? Sorry, knight has? How many points does the knight has? We learned right now. Knight has 3 points. Yes, Anuja. Yeah, tell me, you want to answer? What's your name? Anuja Kothari. Your name is Anuja?
My mom's name is Anuja. My name is Ishti.
So what's your name?
Ishti.
Prishti.
Ishti.
Ishti. Okay, Ishti. Okay. Ishti, how many points does the knight has?
3.
Very good. Mandriya, can you try how many points does the pawn has?
1.
Mandriya?
1.
Very good. Riya, can you try how many points does the rook has?
5.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you try how many points does the rook has? I've shown this acting. Yes.
No.
Achraj, what's your name? Achraj, what's your name?
Akshat, that's my name. That's 5 points.
Achraj, yeah, rook has 5 points. Very good. Yeah, so now these are known as bishops. Bishop also has 3 points. Bishop also has 3 points. This is a queen. Queen has 9 points. And this is a king.
King has ability.
Yeah.
King has
Wait, how
ability.
to identify between king and queen? King has a crown on its head. Or it has a plus sign. So this is king and is a queen. King is very much valuable piece. It has so many points. We cannot count. Why? Because our whole game of chess is based on king. You have to save your king and you have to attach the opponent king. If you kill the opponent king, you win the game. Okay, but if someone or your opponent kills your king, you are out of the game. So we need to save our king. Understood, everyone? Our whole game, what we are playing, is based on king. It has so many points, we cannot count. So maximum point in chess is only 9. Everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Vishwaditya, sorry. Vishwaditya, can you tell how many points has a knight?
Knight has 3.
Very good. Then Nitya, can you try how many points does the pawn has? Nitya? Nitya, can you try how many points the pawn has? Okay. Dhoni, can you try? Dhoni?
A knight.
Dhoni, you are right. Dani, sorry, I'm so sorry. Dani, Dani, I cannot hear you. Yeah, very good. Pawn has 1 point. Very good. Very good. And who's remaining now? Okay, everyone answer it.
No.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
me.
only KDB? Who's KDB?
You're on mute.
KDB, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, can you on your camera and what's your name? Okay, then
My name is Kavya.
Kavya. Okay. How many points does the rook has?
5.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Ranesh? Who's Ranesh? Ranesh, can you try how many points does the bishop has?
5?
No.
3.
Yeah, bishop has 3 points. Bishop has 3 points. Okay, Ranesh.
Mm-hmm.
What about queen? What about queen?
9.
9.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
9.
Very good. And
9.
what about king?
Infinity.
But what do you have to do of king? What do you have to do in of king? Why it is important?
Save a king.
And how will you win the game?
By killing the king.
By killing the other 2 kings.
Correct.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Okay, so now everyone understood the point system?
Yeah.
Easy? Okay, so now what do? We learn how to play. We learn how to move the pawns. Does anyone know how to move the pawn?
Yes.
Yes.
Wait. Yes, Akshat.
Yes.
1 or 2 steps at a time.
Yeah. Because first
Okay,
two
okay.
steps. First 2 steps,
Yeah,
then 1
but
step.
only in first move. Wait. But only in first move. Akshat, you have to tell that only in first move. Now you cannot play 2 steps. Now you cannot play again 2 steps.
Yeah, you can play 1 step.
Yeah, now you have to play one step only. So only in first step we are allowed to play 2 steps.
Otherwise-
So for those who doesn't know how to play, how to move the pawn, assume this is a pawn home. Assume this is the pawn's home. When pawn come out of its home, he has 2 options. He can play 1 step or he can play 2 steps. He started, he can play 2 steps. Once he plays 2 steps, he cannot play again 2 steps. Now he has to play one step. Getting it?
Yes.
The pawn cannot come back home also. Once he moved out, he cannot come back. Okay. Now my question is, if I play 1 step, can I play 2 steps?
No.
Are you sure?
No. You can.
Who told?
You can.
You can't.
He cannot move. Why? Because he has already moved out of its home. Only in first move he was allowed to move 2 steps, but he missed it. So he played now 1 step only. Now he cannot play 2 steps. He has to play one step only.
Okay.
For everyone.
Got it.
Manaria, are you understanding it? Okay, Ranish, KDP, Anuja, Vishwa, Aditya, everyone understanding it?
Yes.
Okay. Now we learn about how does the rook moves. How does the rook moves?
A rook moves
The rook can only move straight or diagonal.
Yes. A rook can move
Okay. Wait. I'll ask that person. We only answer. One at a time. One at a time. Yes, Nikshana, yes, tell me.
A rook can only move sideways or forward or backward.
Yeah, very good. So, rook can move standing line or sleeping line. You can tell like this also, vertically and horizontally. But wait. Iksha, how many steps does the rook move? Only Iksha will answer.
It can move how
Only
many
Iksha will answer. That's how. Wait, let other person answer now. Iksha, do
Yeah.
you know how many steps does the rook move?
Yeah, it can move how many steps at once.
Okay, you're right. So, for example, Ansh, can I play 2 steps in sideways? Only Ansh will answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Riya, can I play 1 step down? Riya,
No.
you can. Rook can move as many steps he wants to. Okay. So, for example, he wants to can move standing line or sleeping line. And how many steps does Rook move? As many steps he wants to play. He can play 1 step also. He can play 4 steps also, as per his choice. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now we learn about the bishop. Mandria, can you answer? How does bishop moves? Do you know?
No.
Okay.
No.
Wait. Iksha will answer. Iksha. Yeah, answer. Anuja Kotari. How does Bishop move?
You can go diagonal.
Yeah, but only you answered half. Yeah, but how? Like, wait, I'll ask a question. He's in white, so can he come in black?
No. No.
Very good. So diagonally, but how many steps does Bishop move? How many steps?
As many as at once. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, so again, Bishop moves diagonally. He's in black, he will go only in black. If he's in white, he goes only in white. But as many steps he wants to play, he can play. It is his choice. Got it?
Yes.
Now, we learn about queen. How does queen move?
Anyway, like diagonal or anything. Straight, diagonal, horizontally, vertically, anything.
Okay. Yeah, Vine, you want to answer, Vine?
A queen moves any way it wants, but it
Yeah.
cannot jump over like the horse.
Yeah, you are right. Okay, so queen moves standing line.
It can move any side it wants, but it cannot jump over like the horse. The
Yeah,
king,
you are right.
the
queen
king
moves
moves like
Yeah,
everything.
wait, Vine. Let me answer. Yeah, you're right. Queen moves. Now we are doing of queen. Let's do step by step. We are going queen. Queen moves in standing line and sleeping line.
And diagonal.
And diagonal also.
Yeah.
As many steps he wants to play, he can play. Queen can play as many steps he wants to play. For example, he wants to diagonally one step, he can play one step also. He wants to play 2 steps. 3 steps. He can play 3 steps also. As many steps he wants to play, he can play. But now my question to you is, over here, he's in black. Can he come in the white in sleeping line?
No.
Yes.
Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait, how many of them?
Yes.
Wait. How many
Yes.
them of you no? Just raise your hands. Who are telling no? Just raise your hands. Who are telling no?
I'm telling you what. I'm not telling you what I'm saying.
Who are right now? 2, 3. No, I was listening. Now no one is raising the hand.
No one is raising their hand.
So over here, queen can come in white.
Yes.
Over here, when he's going in sleeping line or he's going in standing line, he can go in
Yes.
opposite color. He can go in opposite color. But when he's in diagonally, he cannot come in the opposite color.
Yes.
Because queen is combination of rook and bishop. Queen is combination of rook and bishop. How does rook move? Standing line
Rook
and,
moves sleeping line. Sleeping
right?
line.
And bishop moves diagonally. So queen is
Yes.
combination of rook and bishop. As
Yes.
bishop moves the prescribed color, which color it is. So we'll same like queen. Queen is right now in black, he'll go only in black. When he's in diagonal. But when he's in forward line and in straight line, he can come in opposite color. Same way, same line, he can come in opposite color. Got it?
Yes.
Everyone understood?
Yeah.
Okay. How many steps does king move?
King moves one step.
And
King can move
like
one step.
Yeah,
He can
very
move
good.
anywhere. One step.
like one step, yeah.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, king can move one step, but in all the directions. Very good. He can go up, down, and sideways, and diagonal also. Everywhere king can go. Any doubts? Anyone has any doubts?
No.
Okay.
No.
Next. How many steps does knight move?
2 steps in a left. It's like L. Like 1, 2, and L.
There's an L shape.
Everyone mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. I will tell the person name, only that person will answer. Everyone mute yourself.
We did not do like how you do it, so we have to not do, right? We can do by our own, right?
Yeah, you may. It's not a problem.
Thank you.
I don't have this decoration material, so I've colored it by using 3 colors.
Do you have glitter sheets?
What?
Glitter sheets?
No. I colored it with brown glitter. Colorful sheet, yeah, I have.
You can just stick 2 of them and cut a circle or a diamond shape on them and then just let it dry and just stick any base of cardboard and just attach on the diya.
Okay.
Anyone else? Can you tell how to decorate the diya? Yeah, just a minute.
Excuse me,
Yes? If you don't
ma'am. I don't
I
have mud diya, so how can I do?
mud diya. If you don't have mud diya.
I don't have mud diya, so how can I do?
Actually, it's for mud diya only. The class is for mud diya only.
Okay, so I'll buy or else I'll
Yeah, you
find
may
it.
do it tomorrow or in this week or any time.
Okay, thank you.
So let it dry. Who all have completed? Who all have completed with the outer coverage?
Oh, you done the outer coverage and inside cup.
Oh, okay. Parth, can you show me your diya?
I'm not in a lie.
Vanshika, this is my diya.
I can't find the colorful sheets.
Kapurna Didi?
Vanshika, this is my diya.
Yeah, okay, very good. I have an example. This is of my sisters. Mine is not drying, so I'm just telling you for her. Who have you made? They don't have the people don't have these types of materials, they can just paint it like this and then take a brush and dip it in any dark color, light color, and just spray. It will look very nice.
Vanshika, can I start the decoration?
Yes. And the water
How
part,
can we decorate the
can you
diya?
show me your decoration materials?
Yes, I'm the
वंशिका ये दिया देखो.
Very good, very nice. Thank you.
वंशिका.
Who is speaking?
दीदी.
Yeah,
दीदी.
yeah. बोलिए.
Like this.
Vanshika, I have this, and this.
Yeah, this one, last one. The last one. Can you show me the last one? Can you show me the last material you showed right now?
Yeah. Okay.
What is the size of it? I can't see it properly.
1 minute.
Yeah, the third one, it is in your hand. This one, like this.
I'm done. So what should I do now?
Vanshika, let it dry, please. Please let it dry.
Just diamond shape also, diamond shape.
Yeah, you can use them first at the bottom of the
What? I
At
can't
the
hear.
bottom. Everyone, please mute because I can't hear anyone.
इधर आ, नहीं धो, मत धो, हम लोग धो लेंगे. तुम इधर बैठो. Vanshika, can I decorate with color papers?
Yeah, you may. Just cut out some shapes of them, stick on the cardboard and stick on the as it gets
But I am on the cardboard.
Varinia, what is this? Varinia and Riya is very beautiful decorated.
ये थोड़ी सी नीचे रखिए.
I am on the cardboard.
Start decorative. So do you have decorative materials?
I have decorated materials, but I am on the cardboard.
I have things. I can't hear anyone.
I am telling that I have decorative materials, but I have not cardboard.
You may use them. I'm telling the one who don't have decorative materials, they may take some sheets of A4 size sheets or glitter sheets. Just cut it and stick it on the cardboard and then stick it on the diya by cutting it. If you are having the materials, please do not use that.
Vanshika, are you going to decorate this diya?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Yes, just a minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Ma'am, I'm done, but I don't have decorative.
Ma'am, I am done. What should I do now? The diya is also dried.
Okay, you can start decorating it.
What Fevicol do we use?
Just a minute. We don't have decorative materials.
I don't have any decorative materials. So I have colors. What Fevicol do we use? Colors. I have colored it with different colors, so is that fine?
I have said that
What?
it is fine. It is fine.
What Fevicol do we? What Fevicol do we use? What Fevicol do we use?
Normal Fevicol, glue, for Fevicol, you may use steady stick if you are having hard materials. But use it with your mother.
I am done. So can I leave?
Yeah, you can start. I'm telling you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So, for example, those who want to decorate, excuse me.
Vanshika,
Yes. Let me please
what
speak.
about you paint white color?
Hello, bachcho. If you have not any decorative material, please use anything which you have right now. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need to do anything. Just think about it. I think you have something from which you can decorate your diya. Maybe you have some colorful paper, some magazine paper, or you have mummy's bindi आपके पास होगी, and anything. I think you just check around in your house and you will find definitely some things for decoration. It's not just that you need to buy something and then you will decorate. You just think about it and then decorate it. Okay? So just see Vanshika, and if you have not these things, then you just think about it and you do your diya. So Vanshika,
Excuse me,
yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, can you please send a number in the chat? I'm not able to understand which is your number in the group.
I am Prachi. Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I am Prachi.
Because in the group it's
Normal Fevicol stick lace to is my Fevicol. Normal white glue. You can use normal glue too. Not necessary to use white glue. Okay, so who have completed can start decorating. Let me tell you how to do that. Take your diya and your decorative material and place it first outer then inner. Place it like this, okay? Like this, all over it, all over the outer portion. Place it like this. Mine is not dried yet, so I'm just telling you example.
I have finished mine. Can I show?
Yeah.
The glaze also I have started long back.
Can we stick place also? Adhyat Giri, your camera has been off, switched off.
Can I show mine?
Yeah, I can't see you.
My name is actually my name is Manogna, but the name over here it's like Shashank.
Wow. Great, Manogna. This is amazing.
That's not right.
See the creativity of Manogna. She has no mud diya, so she has decorated one mud that mud king mud pot.
But I didn't use any decorative material because I don't have it at home.
Yeah, that's very beautiful, Manogna. It is really very, very beautiful.
Ma'am, I can't see her.
She's Shashank T31.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
It is really nice. You have made stars on it.
Thank you.
So see everyone, it's not just like that. You just
Can
copy
we
it.
stick place also, ma'am?
Yeah.
Anything of mud can work. Like
Yeah.
you must have pullers at home.
In normal glue.
Plant them. Who is asking glue?
Yes.
Who?
Amais.
See, I have this glue, normal glue, which you have in your homes. You can use a normal glue. Okay. Can we stick lace also? What? Can we stick lace also? So my inner portion has been dried. So right now I'll be making a flush of red color in the inner portion. Let me show you.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, who's there? Please ask.
Tomorrow, ma'am. For how long will this? For how long will it be? How many days?
Yeah, I will tell you after this class everything. Just finish this art class, beta. Then I will tell you everything. And it is,
Okay, ma'am.
Vanshika, your voice is on mute actually. You can unmute and then speak.
Anyone has any query? Anyone has any query? Please, if you don't have, say no.
Look at mine. There's spots on it.
You have used pipes.
Pipe cleaner. No, a pipe cleaner.
Oh, great.
What have you used? Cup?
It's a pipe cleaner.
Oh no. What is the base of it?
Cup. It's a cup.
It's really looking beautiful.
Thanks.
Okay.
Wow,
Let's
Aniket,
start.
that's really sweet.
The material is the pipe cleaner.
Yeah. Okay, let's start by attaching it. Now it's dried. And doing our outer portion. If I will, in the last 5 minutes, I will ask everyone to pin your diya on the screen. But not now.
Vanshika, we are not able to see your diya and your Fevicol. Like, what are you doing? So just please change angle of your camera. Yes. Yeah.
I have placed, I'll be placing this here. Or I will.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see my diya?
Who's speaking?
What?
Who is speaking? Anyone who's speaking?
Nageshwara.
Yeah, just a minute. It's beautiful. You have used purple, I think.
Yeah. Glitter paint.
Yeah, I love it.
Thank you.
Can you start by decorating it?
I don't have any decorating materials.
It's okay, no problem. Do you have A4 size colorful sheets? Anything like that?
Yeah.
You may cut that in small pieces and just stick it on the diya. Okay.
Vanshika,
Yes.
देखो.
Even I can't. Wow, it's really beautiful. You used beads.
हाँ वो थर्माकोल बॉल्स की थी यूज
Yeah, they are looking beautiful. Very beautiful actually.
थैंक यू
But when you burn the diya, will it burn? No.
I want to show you my diya.
Yeah, you can show.
Vanshika, I put my embroidery jewels in this. Vanshika,
Yes.
like this diya.
Purva Didi, I love
Aditi,
glitter. Yeah. You use glitter sheet. Very beautiful. Can you please share this with
you like
us?
this? Vanshika,
Yes.
I finished my diya. I used four colors and my
Christmas colors.
embroidery jewels.
I use Christmas colors to make this.
I used Christmas colors.
Art, your diya is very nice.
This is my grandma's embroidery jewels. Look at mine.
Aniket, I think.
I mixed green and red to make a Christmas color.
Yeah, it looks nice.